keeping track of the technological side of things here in terms of military applications, testing, and the big dogs here on the world stage, the United States, China, among two of the biggest countries here on planet Earth. They control a lot of technology hidden behind the scenes, and they've been testing a lot of technology. And what we've seen out in the open is that there has been some success and there has been some failure all the way around. But it seems that they are gaining ground as a whole on doing some of these things like rolling out lasers. They've talked about putting these lasers on other aircraft that can float in subspace. And now they're talking about capitalizing on Mach 20 speeds. This is crazy. And you talk about going this fast. China is trying to develop a vehicle that can deliver weapons or anything else and get to the United States within 14 minutes. Now, they're conducting these ground tests, and they hope they have this whole facility up and going full-blown in China by 2020. But they're saying that at present, the world's most powerful wind tunnel is in Buffalo, New York. It is the Lin X facility. It operates at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per second. That is 30 times the speed of sound. Now, hypersonic aircraft are defined as vehicles that travel at speeds of Mach 5, which that's 5 times the speed of sound or above. Now, the U.S. military tested an HTV-2, which was a Mach 20 unmanned aircraft back in 2011, but the flight only lasted a few seconds before it disintegrated and went into the ocean. March of this year, China conducted 7 successful test flights of its hypersonic glider, the WU-14, also known as the DF-ZF. They did this at speeds of Mach 5 and Mach 10, so they were successful at reaching Mach 10 with their gliders. And right now they're saying that this is starting a hypersonic race between the U.S. and China. And that things are going to accelerate. When you start talking about hypersonic weapons, this is super fast. So now we're talking about lasers, hypersonic weapons, being able to hit targets within minutes. And right now that's where it sits in terms of these two starting to duke it out in this race to see who can get the best hypersonic aircraft or glider onto the scene to be used in a military theater. But I wanted to make note of it. There's more details here at this link. I'll leave it below. It's been Dabu7.